Welcome to 3D Printing by Rysera Innovations.
We are all about bringing your visions to life with our top-notch 3D printing services.
We use the best quality materials and the state-of-the-art printers for unparalleled precision and quality.
And guess what? We offer the lowest rates in town.
Whether it's prototyping your next big idea
Or creating personalized arts and crafts,
we deliver excellence every time.
but here's the scoop. Our queue fills up fast.
So don't miss out. Place your orders now. Rysera Innovations. Let's rise,
Reimagine and repeat.